But I like the energy from Pakistan fielders. They're all over Indian batters. They know that they've got the start they wanted. They've taken 3 wickets. But they must not get carried away with this. Yes, it's on their side. Have a look at this for a fielding. Then you really cannot blame him. Direct hit. Good calling from each other. They were looking at each other. Completed the run.
Wow, they are flying. Sameer Minhas there. A second slip.
They charge up. No doubt about that. Again, going back to the same interview which Salman Butt took from Hussain, I really like what he said about his teammates. He was happy for his teammates' success. That's what good teams are made of, when you're happy for each other. He was so happy for Sameer Minhas's 100 that he forgot about his own performance. So that's what good teams are like. The bunch of good boys together, happy for each other, happy for each other's success. That's what you do, and that's what you learn at this level. So wonderful to see from Pakistan, happy for each other.
As mentioned earlier, Subhan has been the pick of the bowlers in terms of the wickets column for Pakistan under 19. Creative, bowling in the right channels, picking up a four-for.
And also very smart, mixing it up. Length deliveries, pushing the batter on the back foot and then bowling those Yorkers. And the ability to execute those Yorkers perfectly. That's why he's been so successful at this level. And these pitches have surely supported him.
There is no doubt this has been fiery and it's been feisty from both ends. First, the way the Indian batters started and the way the Pakistan bowlers have made a comeback. Didn't play against Malaysia under 19 and then was brought in against India where he took 3 wickets. And then after that, he's been their top wicket taker.
Yeah, and his ability, most of these wickets that he has taken, fast bowlers were the initial two bowlers. They went for runs. Then he has been the one coming into action, steadying things for the team, getting wickets, not giving away runs. So he has a very important role. Oh, Gohan knocks him over. Wicket in his very first over. He can do no wrong in this tournament. Pakistan is on fire and on top. He might have hurt himself, but not before knocking over Malhotra. Wonderful spell.
He's hurt himself, but he's hurt the Indian team too.